Hello guys. Yeah, I try to get this way here. I mean, yeah, I get a prayer. What's never been going on these days. Yeah. But anyway, I'm not going to discuss this. I want to say welcome to everyone from Watch the Cooking. Now, I mean, God bless all of you. I haven't made a video in a long time. I'm going to make something very simple or something like that. I'm going to show you guys something a little bit here, okay? This is, I got my grandma and my mom gave me this for Christmas or so. I used it twice already. This is either a crock pot or a slow cooker. And I made a couple of roasts a couple of times here, okay? Anyway, one roast I made. One roast that I made after a homemade roast. It turned out very good. It's very simple to make. I mean, here, let me show you something. This is corned beef. This is corned beef right here. And you can mix any vegetable you want, okay? A vegetable I'm going to put is some mushrooms. Some nice red potatoes right here. And some baby carrots. The last video last one I made with bell peppers. And I don't think bell peppers turn out that well at all. So, anyway, why don't we wash our hands first, and we'll try to get started. It's always nice to wash your hands. And in the near future or so, I am planning on making some baking videos and stuff. And I said I made some of the stuff, but I think I want to make a video or so. I mean, some baked stuff I made. For example, I made lemon bars in the past, too. So maybe I might make that again one day, make lemon bars. You can get all sorts of, recipes out on the internet and stuff like that. That was pretty good. I found some recipes on the internet that I like. I mean, I can kind of share it to you too, no? Anyway, we gotta try to cut the corned beef out. And here we gotta drain the blood out too, okay? Then we can kind of drain the blood out. Kind of open this up a little bit. Okay, I'll show it to you. Here. And we'll kind of open this up a little bit. With the chicken here. Here I'm going to put some hot water and let it drain a little bit. Alright, what I'm gonna do, is show you the prop pot thing what I'm going. Let me say that again. Let me show you what I'm going to put in the crock pot. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Sometimes my word is not perfect, I apologize. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put some chicken stock, some broth in it. Put some chicken broth in it. I'm going to put a little bit of minced onion in here. I'm going to put some minced onion in here. Just a little pinch of salt. Some garlic powder in here. I will mix tenderizer right here. And I might add just a half bit of this. Oregano. I'll just mix it in a little. I'll just mix it in a little bit. I'll mix it in just a little bit. Now I'm going to grab a strainer. And I'm going to wash the vegetables first, okay? Wash the vegetables. I'm just a strainer already. I got one in here. I'll just show it right here. Here's a little strainer. I put it here. We'll kind of wash some of the vegetable here. Let me add some baby carrot here too. Add some baby carrot. And what I'm going to do is looking for a green for all the so I'm going to transfer the corned beef, okay, and rinse the vegetables or so. Just have vegetables so it blood. here, but I want to put the corned beef in here. And with blood, you can always wash your hands. With blood, you can always wash your hands. So you won't be cross-contaminated. Rinse the vegetable. Put it in here, mix it up. And what you can do as well is open a can of red potato. What we also do is rinse the red potato. Open it a little bit further. Show you how to show it on your pot, but I'll show you just a step. I'll move the camera over here. We'll put some red potato in here. We'll wash it real good. Wash the potato real good. I'll put the camera back in the crock pot, and I'll put some of these red potatoes in the crock pot, okay? Alright, I got the crock pot ready to go. Wash the hand one more time and wash the hand one more time. And we're going to get the crock pot to high flame. And it should be ready to go. Anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more cooking stuff, just let me know. Okay? God bless all of you.